Canada Pension Plan in 180 seconds. Let's make this simple. I'm breaking down what CPP is, how much comes off your paycheck, and what you actually get for it. If you ever looked at your pay stub and wondered, what's CPP and why am I paying this? This is for you. Value starts now. What is the CPP? Introduced in 1966, the Canada Pension Plan is a mandatory public pension that replaces part of your income in retirement if you become disabled or if you pass away. Then benefits can go to your survivors. It's administered by Service Canada. It's funded by employees, employers, and the self-employed, and invested by the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board. Purpose and structure. CPP is a contributory, earnings-related social insurance program to provide financial security for retirees and disabled individuals, plus income support for surviving family members. It's managed jointly by federal and provincial governments. Contributions are collected by the CRA, and CPPIB invests the funds. Benefits you can receive: retirement pension, monthly, based on what you contributed, disability benefits, survivor's pension, children's benefits, death benefit, eligibility. Make at least one valid contribution. The more and the longer you contribute, the higher your benefits. How contributions work. Employees contribute, based on pensionable earnings. Employers also contribute. Rates and maximums update yearly. 2025 example. Contribution rate, 5.95% for the employee, 5.95% for the employer. Maximum annual pensionable earnings, $68,500. Basic exemption, $3,500. Maximum contribution, $3,967.50 each. Quick math. Step 1, pensionable earnings, or gross pay, minus $3,500. Step 2, apply 5.95%. Example, $50,000 minus $3,500 equals $46,500. $46,500 times 5.95% equals $2,067.50. Employee CPP. Employer matches $2,067.50. Self-employed. You pay both sides, 11.90% of pensionable earnings up to $7,735 in 2025. When it's deducted, each pay period. On your T4, CPP contributions show in box 16. Always review it. CPP exempt earnings, income below $30,500 annually. Certain non-cash benefits, specific allowances. Tips not controlled by the employer. CPP exempt employees can include, under 18, over 70. Some who are already receiving a CPP retirement pension while working, under certain conditions. Qualifying members of specific religious groups. Opting out is rare and requires formal approval. Employer responsibilities: withhold and remit CPP, keep accurate payroll records, file T4 and T4 summary annually. Employee responsibilities: check your deductions, review your T4 every year, apply for CPP benefits when you're eligible. Taxes: CPP contributions are deductible from taxable income, which can reduce taxes or increase your refund, and they build your eligibility for future CPP benefits. CPP versus other plans. CPP is a public mandatory baseline. RRSPs and RPPs are private or employer-sponsored and voluntary. Use them to stack on top of CPP. Key takeaways: CPP protects your retirement and provides disability and survivor benefits. Contributions are shared by you and your employer. Self-employed pay both. Know the exemptions and your responsibilities. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and share with a friend who just started a new job. Want a quick CPP calculator and checklist? Comment CPP and I'll pin the links.